Opening scene. A futuristic cityscape with smart technologies integrated. Welcome to the Future Files, where we explore the innovative and interconnected world of smart cities. In this episode, we dive into the concept of smart cities, examining how IoT technologies, data-driven urban planning, and connected infrastructures are shaping the urban environments of the future. Join me as we embark on a journey into the world of smart cities. Visuals showcasing smart technologies in urban settings. Smart cities leverage advanced technologies and data-driven solutions to create connected, sustainable, and efficient urban environments. Let's explore the transformative potential of these cities and the benefits they bring. Segment 1. Understanding smart cities. To understand smart cities, let's delve into the foundations and principles behind this concept. Visuals of sensors, IoT devices, and data analytics. Smart cities rely on a network of sensors, IoT devices, and data analytics to collect and analyze real-time data. We'll explore how these technologies enable cities to optimize services, enhance efficiency, and improve the quality of life for residents. Segment 2. Data-driven urban planning. Data-driven urban planning plays a vital role in shaping the future of cities. Let's examine how cities leverage data to make informed decisions and design sustainable urban environments. Visuals of urban planning models, data visualization, and city simulations. Through data analysis and visualization tools, cities can gain valuable insights into transportation patterns, energy consumption, and resource management. We'll discuss how these insights inform urban planning strategies, leading to optimized infrastructure, reduced environmental impact, and enhanced livability. Segment 3. Smart mobility and transportation. Smart mobility and transportation are key components of smart cities. Let's explore the advancements in this area, from connected vehicles to intelligent transportation systems. Visuals of autonomous vehicles, smart traffic management, and mobility apps. Autonomous vehicles, smart traffic management systems, and mobility apps are revolutionizing how we move within cities. We'll discuss the benefits of these technologies, such as improved traffic flow, reduced congestion, and enhanced safety. Segment 4. Sustainable energy and resource management. Smart cities prioritize sustainable energy and resource management. Let's delve into the innovative solutions that help cities become more environmentally friendly and resource efficient. Visuals of renewable energy sources, energy-efficient buildings, and waste management systems. Renewable energy sources, energy-efficient buildings, and smart waste management systems are just a few examples of sustainable practices in smart cities. We'll explore how these solutions contribute to reduced carbon emissions, efficient resource utilization, and a greener future. Segment 5. Enhancing quality of life. Ultimately, smart cities aim to enhance the quality of life for their residents. Let's discuss how technologies and data-driven approaches improve the well-being and experiences of urban dwellers. Visuals of smart healthcare systems, public safety measures, and community engagement platforms. Smart healthcare systems, advanced public safety measures, and community engagement platforms are transforming urban living. We'll highlight the ways these technologies enable safer neighborhoods, efficient public services, and inclusive community participation. And that concludes our exploration of smart cities of the future. From data-driven urban planning to sustainable infrastructure and enhanced quality of life, these cities hold tremendous promise. Join us next time on the Future Files as we continue to unlock the mysteries of tomorrow, exploring the cutting-edge technologies and visionary ideas that will shape our urban